What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to fix the OneDrive error code 0x8004de44. So let's get right into this. So this is a weird error code that happens when you're trying to basically either use OneDrive or open it and you're getting this error. There's an easy way to fix this. All you need to do is go to your search bar, and I'm going to leave this command in the description for you guys to basically figure to use this. But you're basically just going to paste this. And for you, it will show something, or it might not actually, it might look similar to this. But what you want to do is then change this command to basically say change the C from here into D or F or whatever, right? It's just wherever your drive is saved as, or whatever drive, it is saved under. Mine isn't showing up because I've completely deleted OneDrive, so you can I've completely uninstalled it, but you can also do that and then reinstall it as well. But pretty much this is the best way to fix it, because this is in a sense like it's reformatting it in a way, right? Or repairing it essentially. So once you do this, it pops up, you just press enter and it shows up. If it doesn't, you can always try to go to documents, I should say, not apps, and then you'll see it pop up over here. And again, you're just running this, because again, I don't have that file, hence why nothing is coming up, but this is essentially how you do it. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm going to tutorials out. Peace.